All right, there's going to be a simple test to showcase the Elgato Stream Deck with some of the Auto Hotkeys and OBS with the quad. So I had the scores for 1, 2, or player 1 right here, player 2 right here, 0, 1, 2. And I have start and stop record. And it's shooting a message up to Twitch chat. Clear and swap, and this is just scene that's gonna be worked on later on. So as you see here, I'm gonna start recording on quad 2. Now I'm gonna start on quad 4. I'm gonna stop 4. And then stop 2. So that works out well. Then I'm going to update score 2, player 2 to 2, and then player 1 to 1. Since that looks to be the most active window, I'll go to quad 3, score of 2 to 1. So this is a combination of the Stream Deck, Auto Hotkeys, and OBS with 5 instances open.